Hello my friends, I would like to share something special. Nowadays the whole world is concentrating about the protection of the environment. You know, the climate is changing very strangely, very oftenly. So now the French people, they are thinking about to build their houses in a different way. I mean, by crushed wood. I would like to show you the method how they are using the wood and how they are constructing the buildings, the houses. I'd like to show you now about the day is beautiful today. You can see the houses. These buildings are really protecting the energy. There are buildings are under construction. Some buildings are already finished. Now I am going to show you how they are buildings. Totally by the wood. You can see this will save a lot of money from the payment. For example, the gas, electricity. Especially Europe is cold countries, so when the cold period, winter period, we need to pay a lot of money for the electricity, for the gas. When we build with the wood, half we can economy. Every month we need to keep some money for pay the bills. You can see there behind. You can see there is a house still constructing. There is a house they are building. So this area they choose to build this type of buildings. You can see the buildings on the ground. They will put the cement foundation, and you can see, as you see here on the ground, they will put the cement so that the ground wouldn't be affected by the water. And on top of the cement, they are starting to build the house. So my friends, when I saw this, I thought that I must share this with you, so that in the future when you build the houses, think about your future house, how to build. Home is sweet home. Always it's a dream of everyone to have a house, especially beautiful house. So here is one house. Yes, they are building. These houses are finished already. Yeah, beautiful. It's look beautiful. Try to save the environment, my friends. So thank you so much, my friends, for watching my videos. See you in the next video.